Good morning guys! Ito kaya itong panahon today. Tama kayo for practice with my football club, P-Sports Maragusan FC. Sila itong players for today. So let's start. Sugod sila ganina o warm up activation drill o jogging. Then FIFA 11 dayon. So muna itong main drill today. Ang passing and receiving with partner to maximize their ability and capacity to communicate with his teammates to improve po ang ilang passing o receiving skills. Then after that, nag-small-sided games nami. So kaning footage, small-sided games sa ato ang U12 versus U13 boys. So atong tanawon. Kung makita ninyo guys, ang atong mga kids gagmay kayo. It's because most of them kay 10 years old, 11 years old, o ba na 9 years old pa. But we encourage them to play for this level of competition. Most of them po, kita na to more on dribbling. So nakita na to dre si Akio. Kita niya nato nga ginagamit yun nila most of the time dribble yun. Can you see? Kani good shot. So kani siya nga bata sa Lipalam bago pa siya nag-appeal. But kita to nagit siya potential nga bata. Good job. Tapos celebration tayo sa yung amigo. Sorry Palma. Alright. So kaning game, maximize na ko siya 15 minutes para ma-sustain yun nila ang ilang endurance. Most of our kids now kita na to nga enjoy gid sila. Nalipay sila nga nagadula og football, and that's how we should supposed to play football with enjoyment. Para madula tag football para ma-enjoy ta og malingaw ta. Same as these kids, lingaw jud kay sila. Please support my channel po dai no for more videos nga inani, content na inani. Subscribe and like this video. So after the game, nagsabot sila nga ang mapildi push up. So man siya ang footage karon, push up na ang ilang opponent. So nakadula. So makita ninyo iskang ga-push up sila. Pero grabe ang easy katawa kayo. Actually ang uban na dili nila opponent pero ni apil og push up. So yan This is how we enjoy football. So kato lang. Salamat.